storage time. Okay, another day in the storage, and let's see what good treasures we could find here. There are a lot of parts. So let's begin. Don't remember this one. So we have a screw, bolster the barge with little wheels. Nice. Steam along Annie. Some shell. This is a good tender for Edward. Look at this. I think, yeah, this is a fling, motorized fling, and the gears are okay, so I don't know what's going on. We'll find out later. Maybe battery corrosion. Here is another shell. Carnival boxcar. And this one is from Shoggington. Trying to find a good parts. It is a Victor. I think we can paint these Victors yellow. I used to sell these custom yellow ones on eBay a long time ago. We can paint those again. What is in here? Oh, another Thomas. Look at the stickers. So I'm gonna save this one for Timothy the Ghost Engine. Diesel tank shell. Here is another Freddy. Oh, look at this. This one's really old, Edward. Easily to break. I do not recommend that, Edward. Oh, look at this one is for diesel. I do not recommend that, Edward. It's really old. What is this? Another Thomas. I used to modify and paint this Thomas for Timothy the Ghost Engine and sell it for 45 bucks, and you can buy that one for 60 bucks on eBay from another seller. Anyways, here is a talking Victor, and look at this, a Plarail. I think it's Plarail. I don't know where is the top, the shell, but look at the switch. It's in the front. Anyways, so we have a bird shell. I don't know where is the chassis. Another Stepney, good for modification. Yep, save that one. Another shell for bird. Nice. I have no idea that I have that one. Those parts around here. Trackmaster 2. I don't like them, but anyways, I use them for parts. What is this? Oh, okay, this one is from Denny's. I have no idea where the shell is. I think this one is from Salty. I think it's Salty. Brent Dam Dogs. I think, I don't know. Anyways, another Victor. Yep, for parts. Maybe Steam Alone Annie, and more parts. Look, another diesel tank shell. What is this? And this one I think is diesel. Yes. And this I think is from Plarail. I do not know which set belongs to. If you know, let me know in the comments. And steam alone parts. and more parts. Another Shoggington and another Shoggington. I really forgot the name of this Shoggington. Oh, look at this one. It's a flip car. Look at it here. Nice. Zero handle. Just the bottom part. Another Spencer broken part. There are a lot of good parts here. This one is for Toby. Yes, for Toby. What else? Oh, look at this one. This one definitely I am going to save it. And I will fix and repair this one. Yeah, I have another one laying around somewhere. So I'll save this one. Put it on the side. And here is a complete shell and chassis bird. So look, we find 3 birds. And I think we can use some chassis from diesel for that model. And here is a remote control Thomas. Sortie. Another part of seal handle. I think it's Talking Thomas. I think so. So, oh, look at this poor Toby. This one is from Mr. Bubbles. I don't remember the set. Look, Rocky. I need to find those parts. Another Freddy. I think we can customize one of these Freddys. Like, I don't know. Let me know in the comments. And this one actually is Fearless Freddy. Others say only Freddy. Anyways. What else? And this one is for Flynn. Another for Rusty. Duncan. Nice. I need to find the Duncan parts. This one is for Salty. And these are for Rocky. Good. A wooden railway Thomas. Let me see. What else? Oh, look at this cover from Rocky. I need one of these. I'm gonna save that one. See the Topham hat. Wooden railway. What is this? It's out of metal. Okay, anyways. Oh, this poor Harold does have a broken blade. It's out of metal. Unfortunately, it does have a broken blade. Molly parts. I have a few mollies around. So that's all for today, guys. There is not much on this time. Okay, thanks for watching.